I am at Colorful's booth, and over here you can see a lot of iGame products, right? So it has the Ultra Z Long here, Vulcan here, and the Ultra here, but the one I'm interested in is the Mini over here. And we'll be having a look at this Mini, right? So, but before that, this Computex 2024 coverage by GeForce is sponsored by Acer. Let's start from the top. So it showcases a low profile cooler, a small form factor power supply, and motherboard, and of course the ever popular design of the RTX card from iGame. But this one, I've noticed that it has a chrome finish at the side, and this is the specs over here, which is initially I thought it was a paper, but so yeah, you get to see the specs. I'll wait for the slideshow to go through, and then you get see the full specs of the PC. And we'll just stay here for a while, and you guys will hear me talk for a bit. Now this is the PC set, so this is the starting of the slide actually. So up the next one should be the components, right? And then we'll have the specs over here, appearance, performance, and everything. So it's a 12.8 liter size. This is the specification, and up next is the further specification of the graphics card and all that, and we'll pretty much go through what it was presented earlier. So here's the motherboard. I'm sure you can enlarge the screen to have a look. So we're back to DDR5 as we started just now. So over here is the case itself, and as you can see, it is of an iGame etching at the side of the panel. At the top you see the iGame single fan graphics card, and what I noticed is that this fan looks a little bit bigger than the one that I own. I'm not sure. However, it's nicely fitted over here, and then the sides, on this side you can see the RGB LED, and then there's perforations over this panel and over here as well. The case is not open, so I wouldn't know what it looks like inside. So given that the graphics card is over here and the output is over here, it looks like a standard ITX setup, non-sandwich, which is yeah, pretty interesting setup for Colorful over here, showcasing their small form factor PC that's 12.8 liters in size, and the range, as I mentioned, it is called Mini. Well, that's it for this one over here, which is the Mini. Since I'm here, I'm just going to show you the Vulcan PC and the Ultra range PC. But again, my focus is on the small form factor one. As always, I like the small form factor stuff. And with that, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.